Hello everybody. Today we're going to see about the Roche SARS-CoV-2 rapid antigen test kit. So I'm going to show you the box and also unbox this for you. Just to show you the details about this product. Here's the part number. SARS-CoV rapid antigen test distributed by Roche. Okay, here are the contents here. You can take a look. The CIVD certified product. Let me show you the box around. You can see that it's manufactured by SD Biosensor Korea and distributed by Roche. Typically it has a 2 years expiry period. You can see the catalog number. Okay, this kit has 25 test kit. Okay, you can see the contents also here. I'll also show you the contents inside. Let me remove this for you also. There's a QC pass has been put. Okay, let me unbox this. Okay, here you go. Yeah, this is one. Okay, if you look at you have a film along with this. This is basically when performing the test, please attach this film on the result window of device. Okay, just there is a film, 25 films here. Okay, let me keep this here actually, the Roche Antigen. And you have an IFU brochure. 1 second. Here you go, IFU brochure. You have the English version also. You have the English version also there. Complete product details available in this brochure. Let me keep it here. This is also there. We will keep this here. What else you got? You got based on the different languages, you got the IFU brochure for different languages also. So I'm just keeping all this aside here. Okay, if you look at the inside, okay, we got the extraction buffer tube with the buffer liquid inside. You can see that this also has a 2 years expiry and 25 pieces pack. This is a 25 pieces pack. Yeah, here it is, the extraction buffer. And then you got the nozzle caps, 25 pieces nozzle cap. Here it is. And you got 25 pieces of sterile swab sticks. Yes, the sterile swab sticks, 25 pieces. You can see this sterile swab stick, 25 pieces. And here inside you can see the 25 test cassettes. Probably I'll take 2 cassettes for you and show you here. Okay, maybe the others, both the sides. Okay, this is the test cassette. The other side, each pack has 1 test cassette. Okay, I think that's it. So if you look at quickly to show you inside, each of these box has 25 tests, and you see you have a brochure manual in different languages, and also you have the film sticker, and you have 25 pieces of swab stick, sterile swab stick, and you have 25 pieces of nasal swab, nozzle cap, and you have the extraction buffer, 25 pieces. and you have the 25 pieces of test cassette, just to show you the both the ones. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so let me position this. Okay, so this is the complete test kit for Roche SARS-CoV-2 rabbit antigen test kit. This is basically manufactured by SD Biosensor and distributed by Roche. Yeah, here it is. I'm just showing you this. There's some boxes I've just kept here to show you how the box looks like. Okay, this is a complete introduction about the kit. Thank you.